everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. Today I'm going to share with you a very delicious mouth-watering egg recipe, that is Chettinad egg curry. Chettinad basically a region in South India where boiled and fried eggs are cooked into a delectable tomato onion curry that is flavored with coconut and dry roast spices. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on my channel. Let's jump into the recipe and make this awesome Chettinad egg curry. For that, first we are going to make some spice mix. For that, here in a pan I have taken 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. When it's nice and hot, add 1 star anise and 1 cinnamon stick. I'm using ½ inch cinnamon stick here. 2 cardamom pods, I have break them open. 4 to 5 cloves and 5 whole wild red chilies. Then goes ½ teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and ½ teaspoon of fennel seeds. Then goes 2 teaspoon of coriander seeds and keep the flame to the lowest while you are doing this and roast them for 15 seconds. Then I am going to add ginger and garlic. Here I am using 5 to 6 cloves of garlic and 1 inch ginger. Next I am going to add 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. We are going to make paste out of it, so I am going to roast them for 5 minutes on medium flame till they are aromatic. So keep on stirring so that they don't burn. So after 5 minutes they will turn into this brownish color and they are done. All the moisture are gone and they are done. So take it out on a bowl and let it cool down before grinding it into paste. Meanwhile, in a pan I am going to fry up the eggs. For that, 1 teaspoon vegetable oil again. Then in this cold vegetable oil I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and keep the flame to the lowest so that you don't burn the masalas. Then I am going to fry the eggs into this oil. I am using 5 hard boiled eggs here and I am going to fry them over medium flame, tossing them every now and then. I have slit the eggs just a little bit. As you can see, there are slit marks on them. Using a knife, just slit them few times, that's it. So they are done. As you can see, we are not going to over fry them, just a little bit for 5 minutes over medium flame and they are done. And take the oil as well. Now the masala has cooled down. I am going to grind them first without using any water at first. Just grind them like this. After that, as you can see, they are coarsely done. So I am going to add ½ a cup of water, or water, you use the water as required. I needed ½ a cup, so I am going to make a smooth paste, grind them into a smooth paste like this. And the curry paste is ready and it's smelling just awesome. Next, again in a pan I am going to take 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When it's nice and hot, I am going to add finely chopped onions. Here I am using 2 medium sized onions and over medium flame I'm going to fry them till they are golden. So it will take 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes it's quite golden. Now I'm going to add tomatoes finely chopped. Here I'm using 2 medium-sized tomatoes, and I'm going to cook them till the tomato softens a bit. Over medium flame, do this. I'm going to add some salt. This will quicken the process and as well as for taste. Now as you can see, the tomatoes has softened up. So at this stage I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix them. And then goes the prepared masala paste. Add the ground masala paste that we just prepared, all of it, and over medium flame I am going to fry them or cook them for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes we're back, and you can see they have started to release oil. They're quite done and nice and aromatic. At this stage I'm going to add some curry leaves. Here I am using 10 to 12 curry leaves, basically a sprig of curry leaf, and I'm going to add it. Mix it. Next I'm going to add water. I'm using 1.5 cup of water here. Mix them thoroughly. Now over high flame I'm going to let it come to boil like this. So when it starts to boil I'm going to add the egg, all the fried egg including all the oil, because it contains flavor as well. Now mix them and over high flame let it cook, medium to high flame, cook it for 7-8 minutes. So after 7-8 minutes we are back, and as you can see this is the consistency of the gravy and it's done. Our Chettinad egg curry is done. So turn off the gas and let it rest for 5 minutes before serving. Then garnish it with some more curry leaves and grated coconut and serve it hot with some hot steamed rice or paratha or roti, anything you want, but it goes very nice with some hot steamed rice. So do make this recipe for your friends and family and let me know in the comment section below about your feedback, and don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends. Thank you.